Hey everyone, I'm just down here in the former Taylor's Furniture building, the alt space, where it houses the Sarnia Downtown market, where it's full of local vendors offering all the great things Sarnia-Lambton has to offer. There's food vendors here, there's clothing vendors here, there's some great artisans, and even a fresh artisan roaster right here in the building. So let's bring you through and show you all the great things Sarnia-Lambton has to offer. It really is an incubation place for local business to start off and flourish in our community. So our first stop is the Kombucha House, Sarnia's first and only kombucha supplier here in Sarnia-Lambton. Great place to stop in. You can either bring your own cup, get one of these refillable bottles to take with you, or just come and take one of their supplied ones here too. So this is one of my personal favorite here at the downtown market, and it is ground up roastery. So these guys are artisan roasters. They roast almost every single day. They're also at the downtown market here. They got pour over coffee, and they also have a home delivery service, which I get personally, and every week they drop off a half pound of coffee to me. They have cold brew infused with nitrous. That is awesome if you've ever tried it. And they also have a kombucha here infused with their great coffee too. One of my personal faves. If you're downtown, check them out, or if not, call them and just get it delivered to your house too. So now we're at the Shed Eatery. It's one of the newest additions to the downtown market. And I had the pleasure of trying this the other day. It was a pancetta encrusted sandwich with chicken. Probably one of the best sandwiches I've ever had. So these guys they're open the same hours of the market, always fresh, always local food. And it's a real twist on your normal menu, and you'll never be disappointed. The next one to show you in the downtown market is the Great Lakes Refill Co. So this place is a great alternative for all your household needs, like your detergents, your laundry soaps, and all your cleaners. There's no cruelty with any of these things. There's zero waste, and they're also vegan. So you can either bring in your own container and reuse them, or also you can use one of their containers that they provide for you. So we're at the upper part of the market up here, and this is where a lot of the local vendors will display a lot of their great pieces, their artwork and furniture. There's great vendors featured up here like She Is Art, we have the Knack Shop, and the Local Girl Gang. Vendors like this sometimes change too, so it's always a great time to come back in and check it out, maybe when you're getting a sandwich, a cup of coffee, or a fresh thing of kombucha.